cut her cake now.
Woo.
She is going to cut her cake in the mention of her name, Kim.
Okay.
No, Dad. Let us spell Jesus instead of her name.
I said her name.
No, Dad. Jesus is the King of Kings.
Shut up. Are you silly?
Darling, why did you hit him?
Must he argue with me?
He's only a kid.
I know you're going to support him. I know it. Let him celebrate your birthday. Nonsense.
Are you serious? What?
He always acts as if he hates him. He scolds him at every little mistake. I felt so hurt last night. Why should he keep scolding my son?
I don't know. I left him here to copy his assignment. I was in the kitchen when I heard him scream.
Sweetie, why did you scream?
I do not know, Mom.
So why did you scream?
Mom, stop asking me. I'm okay now.
Look at me. Did you see anything?
No, Mom. Please stop asking me that. I'm okay now. Mom, please, let's get out of here. Mom, please, let's get out. Let's get out of here. Let's get out of here. Let's get out of here. Mom, please, let's get out of here.
It's okay now. So Madam will say that the housemaid is a winch. Which one is it? Same thing.
Hello, darling. What? What happened? Okay. How is he now? Just stay close to him. I'm on my way. Okay? God, I have to rush home now. What could be the cause of this? What? Oh my God. Oh my God. What could be the cause of this?
What is going on here?
What is going on here is that I got you a birthday gift.
Oh, watch it.
Come on.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, it's for real. It's for real.
A car for my birthday?
It's for real. It's for real. I know you like it.
Yes. Thank you.
You're welcome.
You know what?
What?
You are the best husband in the whole world.
You can say that again.
Thank you.
Did you?
Thanks,
Thank you, my dear. Thank you.
You're the best husband ever.
And you're going to be best husband too.
Dad, let me tell you something.
What?
I'm not about a kid.
I know you're a kid, but someday when you grow up, you're going to be like me. Won't you be a good husband?
Yes, I will. Thanks.
Good.
Sweetie, I'm so happy. Thank you for loving me too much.
Thank you for loving me too. You're the best.
You know what? I'm going to go on a ride.
Come on,
with
come
my
on.
new car.
Come on, let's go.
Sweetheart.
Come on.
High five, let's go.
You know.
Yeah.
Come on. You mommy's car. You guys go catch fun. Bye. Enjoy yourself. Baby, a friend is coming in tomorrow. I told you about a friend who has been in prison abroad for the past 10 years now.
Yes, I remember. The one you said was arrested with heroin immediately he entered Europe, right?
You're right. He's coming in tomorrow and he's going to be staying with us for a while.
Staying with us? You want to bring in a stranger into our house, our home?
Honey, come on. He's not a stranger. He's like a brother to me. He helped me so much during our university days. He needs my help now.
Please, sweetie, I'm not comfortable with this, honestly. I'm not.
Honey, he's coming to be with us just for a while. Okay? He's a nice guy. Trust me. Don't worry. Just for a while. Okay?
Afternoon, Lizzie. Is my husband back?
No, ma. That man came.
What man?
That man that came the other day from the village, ma.
My husband's uncle.
Yes, ma.
Where is my son? Lizzie, where is my son?
Ma is with that man.
Are you stupid? Have you gone nuts? How dare you leave my son with that evil man? Are you crazy?
Ma, I was trying to...
Shut up! You was! I'll kill you with my bare hands, idiot!
Uncle, my dad is not around.
Your father is not around?
Yes.
I'll wait for him, eh? Yes.
Uncle, what is your name?
My name is Audio Call Number. In the village they call me Ijon, okay? Do you understand?
Go to your room.
But Mom, I want to stay with Uncle.
Are you out of your mind? How dare you argue with your mother? Go to your room.
Why are you pushing the boy out of me? He said he wants to stay with me. Hey. This is getting serious. If I go back to the village, I will consult Okanga. Let me know why each time these people see me, I will become like a total stranger to them. Eh? Hey! Well, I'll wait for that.
Hello, sweetie. Where are you? You need to come back home. Your uncle is here. Gifford, you come. Come back first. I don't like his presence here.
Why didn't you call me before coming? You don't just wake up and start coming to my house without telling me. Yeah? How can you just come to my house unannounced? It's not right. It's not done.
Oh, I'm sorry for that. In fact, it will never happen again.
Anyway, Uncle, tell me why you're here, because I'm leaving for the airport right now. I have an appointment. Yes.
Did I hear you say airport? So you want to travel out of the country? Hey.
I am not traveling anywhere. Tell me why you're here.
It is Uju. Uju, your sister. She sent me.
Uju sent you?
Hi, Uju. Hey, you need to see Uju. Last time I visited Uju, I saw Uju. Uju wept. Myself, I started crying. Both of us were crying together. Hey, you need to see Uju's condition. Hey.
Why did she send you?
Hey, Uju suddenly started feeling remorse over her attitude the day they said you came to the village. So she said I should come and apologize on her behalf. And then the money she rejected, she said you can now give it to me so that we will commence treatment on her leg immediately. In fact, let me call her on the phone so that...
There's no need for that.
Okay. If you give me the money now, I will move straight to the village. Straight to her.
Okay. Let's go to the car then.
Okay.
Then you move from there.
Are you saying the money is in the car?
Okay, let's go. Let's go on.
Tina, I love you. Just hear me out. I beg you in the name of God. Don't do this to me, please.
What exactly do you want from me? You told me she's not your girlfriend.
Tina is not what you think. Just allow me to talk.
Then what?
Just hear me out, Tina. I love you. Just please. I beg you in the name of God.
I hate you. Excuse me.
Tina. 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 Tina.
When temptation comes, they will not know. If ever full of piang boom, they put you here. Can a man lay the power? I said, I pull me out to have fun. And the mama, he got money from my trouble. They could tell you what double wahala behind me, Satan. Or they wanna just see double wahala. He got money from my trouble. I for the living behind me, Satan. Adi kwa na jenda kwa double wahala. Adi kwa trouble. Kapo double trouble behind me.
Okay, please.
Thank you. Uju will hear from you. Bye bye.
Yeah, take care.
Hey! You see shows that... You okay? Are you going? Are you not? Don't worry. It still shows that my brain is very, very active. How could you have rejected this huge amount of money? Don't worry. If I go back to the village, I will put the money in my account. Nobody will even know that I came to the city. Let me just get a means to the mail.
Akweba na chego akonko wa kweli silisi Kumu baisi jini na dakafa Double wahala Madi bamba trouble Double wahala behind me seta Odikwa na jenda See double wahala Madi bamba trouble For the living one behind me seta Odikwa na jenda Kwa double wahala Madi bamba trouble Kapo double trouble behind me seta
Hi! Dan, did you just...
Welcome, sir. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
And this is my house girl. Her name is Lizzie.
Oh, Lizzie.
Sir?
How are you?
I'm fine, sir. Welcome, sir.
Thank you.
Lizzie.
Sir?
Bring down the luggage from the boat. Come on, let's go inside. Come on.
Hey!
Yeah. Let's go. Come on.
You go the Range Rover.
I got you over here.
Now my guy now. You're living life.
Come on. Let's go in. Let's go and have something. Okay? It's gonna work again.
Hi! But Dan, how come now? I mean, how come? How did you make up? How? God. Aka Jehovah no prayer na yamanne. Aka Jehovah no prayer.
Go on, let's go.
Lizzie, okay, I don't carry on banturing on this house.
Let go sit that.
I'm busy, so come find boy.
Carry the other one.
Now me be the first fine boy. Okay, I don't carry on banturing on this house. Come find boy.
Mom,
Yes, love.
who is he?
He's your dad's friend. You have to behave around him, okay?
Okay, Mom. What is his name?
Just call him Uncle.
Okay. Mom, is it my uncle?
When you see him, you greet. Uncle, good afternoon. Okay?
Okay. Got a Jeff, and I said, let's make a dead talk. Let's get
Good.
out of here.
Let's go.
You're welcome.
Dan, you've really done well for yourself.
I bless God for that.
No, just take a look. Huh? This is palace now, guy. You have a beautiful house. You have a wife. You have a son. You have a couple of investments. That's been successful.
God all the glory. Anyway, let me quickly introduce my wife to you. Oh.
Hey, honey.
Here we go. How are you? Boy.
Hi.
How are you? Oh, look, your son. Yeah, the son. Big boy. You know, he's great son. Big boy. How are you? Afternoon. How are you?
Afternoon.
Fine, how was it?
How are you, boy? Well, what's your name?
My name is Junior.
Junior. Wow. Junior.
Kenna, meet my wife. Honey, this is Ikenna, my friend.
Nice to meet you.
It's a pleasure. Thank you. Honey, excuse me.
It's okay. Wow.
Uncle, is your name Uncle Ikenna?
Oh yes, Uncle Ikenna. That's a very close friend.
Okay.
Nice to meet you, boy.
Nice to meet you too. You're welcome.
So, what do I have for you, man?
How excited to know that the person my husband has been talking about is someone I know. No. He cannot stay in this house. No. He will have to change that arrangement. He can get an apartment for him elsewhere. Yes. He cannot stay.
Are you alright?
Yes, I'm fine. I mean, your friend cannot stay in this house with us.
Why?
I don't like him. I mean, you can get an apartment for him elsewhere. Very simple. Yes, we can have our privacy, play around the house, do the things we used to do. Just get an apartment for him somewhere.
Okay. Is there anything you're not telling me?
Not really, sweetie. You know I pray very well. And I have a very strong spirit. My spirit does not accept your friend. You have to leave.
Do you know what? Just calm down. Okay? With time, your spirit will accept him. I've told you, he's a good man.
Oh, my love, that was 10. 10 years is a very long time for someone to change.
Okay.
Get him an apartment, please.
Okay, do you know what? I promise I am going to keep a watch over him. Okay?
If you say so.
Lizzie had taken him to his room.
Good. Then assist Lizzie to get my food while I freshen up, okay?
I repeat, my spirit does not accept him.
Let's get my food.
Sweetie, consider you can rent an apartment, you know. So we can have a...
Your lunch is served.
Oh, okay, I'm coming.
Okay, sir.
So, Kem married my best friend. No, how is that possible?
Of the message you sent to her from your uncle.
No, she has not. But I'll call her tomorrow.
That reminds me, I heard your friend telling you a particular story.
Oh, Ikenna. Ikenna is just a funny character. You know, but I don't know if he meant it. Yeah, I don't know.
He meant what?
Ikenna said he had a girlfriend whom he was so much in love with. And she was pregnant for him the very month he traveled.
He said that the girl was pregnant for him?
Mm-hmm. Yes, he said that. And he also said to me that to his greatest surprise, that he came back to Nigeria and met the same girl with another man. Now asked me if I was in his position, what will I do? Then I answered Ikenna, I'll just leave the girl and move on with my life. He also asked me, what of the pregnancy? You know, he's a funny character, Ikenna.
So what was he telling and asking you all this question?
I don't know. Ikenna is just a funny character. You know, he loves interaction so much. He just loved to gist.
My eyes are heavy with sleep. Good night.
Okay. Let's sleep then.
Junior!
Mommy, Daddy, Mommy.
What is it? What is it?
I saw him.
You saw who?
I don't know him.
Was he sleeping?
Yes, I was sleeping.
Junior, you saw who?
I I don't know him.
Maybe he must have dreamt of something.
We need to take care of this boy. This is getting out of hand.
Are you sure he was sleeping?
Yes, I was sleeping. Please take me to
It's okay.
Please, let's take him to our room. Did you see anything?
Oh gosh, please don't.
You're sure you didn't see anything?
Boy will put me for a while. I will not want in this house. Which one is? We saw him.
Natural progressive, I'm not trigger. Candy keep them warm. Up where banana check, I could go. I really see. Come by sitting in a dark. Up where banana check, I could go. I really see. Come by sitting in a dark. Up where banana check, I could go. I really see. Come by sitting in a dark. Double wahala, double wahala behind me. See double wahala behind me.
Sir, all the documents are inside this one.
Okay.
Sir, should I photocopy the other documents?
Not now, not until I say so.
Okay, sir.
You can go now.
Done. Time has come to offer your sacrifice of loyalty to the Brotherhood of Night. Your wife shall be the sacrificial item. The ritual shall be performed in our next meeting. It is a crime to fight the decision of the Brotherhood, and it is a punishable offense, according to Decree 1, Section 3 of the Brotherhood of Night. Daniel, be warned. Be warned!
Dan, have you seen it? Have you seen it? Grandmaster sees and knows everything. If I would advise you, do as you were instructed.
Ikenna said he had a girlfriend whom he was so much in love with. And she was pregnant for him the very month he traveled.
You said that the girl was pregnant for him?
Mm-hmm. Yes, he said that. And he also said to me that to his greatest surprise, that he came back to Nigeria and met the same girl with another man. Now asked me if I was in his position, what will I do? Then I answered Ikenna, I'll just leave the girl and move on with my life. He also asked me, what of the pregnancy?
Who is that? Come in. What are you doing here?
I'm here to see you.
You shouldn't be here. This is my matrimonial room. Now leave!
I never knew that I would get to see you again after all these years.
I'm glad you still look so beautiful.
Listen, Ike, whatever transpired between us is over. Okay? You need to pick your things and leave my house.
That is not possible. I'm happy that I found you again.
Are you insane? How dare you touch me like that? I am now another man's wife. Get that into your thick skull.
Well, you can slap me 1,000,000 times for all you want. But the fact still remains that I will never give up on you. My love for you still burns like a candlelight. You were 2 months pregnant before I traveled.
Stop it. It can never work between us again. Listen. I beg you with the name of God. Name your price. I'm ready to pay. I'm ready to pay anything. Just pick your things and leave my house. Leave my life, please.
I think I'm going to grant that request, but on one condition.
What condition? Name it.
Okay. I'm going to leave your life for good, right? I'm going to pick my stuffs and I'll leave this house and I will never come back. But this is what you're going to do. We are going to make love here, right now. You know, it's been long. I miss your touches. I miss everything. I mean, think of how we spent our... What's that? I'm going to leave your house, but let's do this, right? I missed your touches.
Yes? What is it?
You sent for me, ma.
When? Well, I didn't send for you. You can go now.
Yes, ma.
Double wahala behind me, Satan. See double wahala for the behind me, Satan.
What a delicious meal.
Very delicious indeed.
Like it, huh?
Top notch, huh?
Oh my God.
Honey, what is it?
There's something I need to fix in the room now. Please, a minute.
Sweetie, wait for me. I will soon be done. We can go together.
Come on, enjoy your food with my friend, okay? Bon appetit. I'll be right back.
You trust me? Sugar.
Don't touch me.
We had an agreement.
I had no agreement. I made you an offer. Name your price.
Well, unfortunately, I'm not interested in your freaking money. I'm interested in you. You promised to wait for me. What happened?
Things have changed. Stay away from me.
Do not walk out on me. I'm serious about this.
Do not come close to me.
No one is perfect. Oh yes, I know. But something needs to be done right. No one is perfect. Oh yes, I know. But something needs to be done right. Become a public. No one yes, I know. But something needs to be done right. Nobody is perfect. No one is perfect. Oh yes, I know. But something needs to be done right. No one is perfect. Oh yes, I know. But something.
You have this and get something for yourself. Okay? Hi. Thank you. It's okay. God bless you. You're welcome.
Is this the love that you promised me? Is this the word that you want us to leave? Is this the love that you promised me? Is this the word you want us to leave? Hide and seek. No trust.
Adam, what is the meaning of this?
Listen, only your body is still there for you. And don't like this, your body, I don't for jiggle.
I'm warning you. Stop pestering my life. I go take leave my village. Leave all those rich farmers where they there. Come city man and find better person. Na security man Adamu. If na cause, respect yourself.
You are. Well, I get up for this one. If when I cuss at the post, they put some for me to love you. They put some for me to like you. Listen, every time we at the sleep on my sleep, and they see for you, and they sleep on, and they see for you.
Now your mama. Now your mama, you dey see for dream, no be Elisa.
No be my mama, I dey see. My mama, I don't know what I die for Sokoto. Now you at the see I'm going by the rim. For you, baby. Tell him how my father take a sell for or Bessie and open it for any my father a career for Barrow a shout for why I was it why open it why
You left your duty post to be telling stories.
Sorry, madam.
Get lost.
Sorry, madam. Lost.
Get me hot water. Bring it to my room.
Uju, my beautiful daughter. Uju. Uju.
What is it?
I have come to know how you are doing.
Please leave my house.
Uju.
I said leave my house.
Me? Or do you call number your uncle leave your house?
Uncle, you a disgrace. You a disgrace to my father's family if you don't know.
Me a disgrace? Hey!
Uncle, wait, you think I will not find out? You think I will not find out that you went to the city to collect money from Daniel?
Oh, okay. To the city? That is why I am here. It is not something you should be shouting and ranting on top of your voice. Calm down, let us talk about it.
You should better return that money to him. You should better return that money to Daniel.
Uju.
Before that, Biko, Silo, leave my house.
Uju. I said that is the reason I am here. Let us discuss it. Come down and sit down here. Let us talk about it.
Keep standing there. Just hold.
Don't worry. I know you will understand. I know you will come because I don't like climbing that high. When you come, we will talk about it. For anything that happens, there must be a reason. Eh? Just as a little child, she will not understand. Eh? I went to the city, yes, but it is for her own good.
You're still here, eh? My friend, come on.
Hey!
Leave my house this minute.
Hey!
I don't want you. You should better return that money to Daniel. Better return that money to Daniel.
Hey! Orobode! My brother's daughter has no respect again. Orobode! My brother's daughter has no respect again. Look at what she has done to me. Uju has no respect again. Uju has no respect again.
Yes, come in. What are you doing here again? You told my husband you were going out.
Oh yeah, I changed my mind because I needed some moments with you.
I don't need any moment with you. Now leave my room.
Can you just calm down? Let's talk like matured people.
There is nothing to...
Ma, the hot water is ready. Should I serve it now?
I'll send for it later.
Huh?
Are you deaf?
She's gone, so can we get down to business? We had an agreement.
I have no agreement with you, Ikenna. What is wrong with you, for crying out loud? Why are you bent on ruining my life? I am a married woman. Married, Ikenna, I am married.
Can you just calm down, stop acting?
I will not calm down. Don't tell me to calm down. As a matter of fact, if you don't leave this room this minute, I will scream. I will scream.
Oh, fine, scream. Alright, scream so high so your husband can hear you. When he comes in here, I will tell him exactly how it all started. I will tell him how I dated you in the past. How I went to jail in London because of you. You promised me that you were going to wait for me. What did you do? You left me for another man. What are you waiting for? Scream!
That's a lie and you know it.
Oh,
you
that's
are
true.
lying.
That's true. That's true. You know what? I will be right here waiting for Dan to come in here. And I will explain what I'm doing in his matrimonial bedroom.
Ikenna, please, you cannot do this to me. Please. I beg you in the name of God, I beg you. It's everything that is dear to your heart. Please. Why are you bent on ruining my marriage, my life? Please, Ikenna, don't do this to me. I beg you in the name of God. Please.
You show me love. You give me gift. You show me care. You give me everything. But why this secret? Why all these things? You promised to love me. Why this secret? Why this secret? Why this hide and seek? Oh, no one is perfect. Oh yes, I know.
Okay, I've seen the orange. You can go now. I said you can go now. I've seen the orange. Why are you standing there staring at me?
What were you doing in my madam's bedroom?
Excuse me?
What were you doing in my madam's bedroom?
Look at this small girl. Who sent you?
Point of corrections. I am not a small girl and nobody sent me. Back to my question. What were you doing in my madam's bedroom?
Hey. Really now? So, how is that your business?
I hate you. That's why I don't want to see you around my madam. Ever since you stepped your foot into this house, my madam has not been herself. Stay away from my madam. I will not warn you again.
No one is perfect, oh yes I know, but something needs to be done right. No one is perfect, oh yes I know, but something needs to be done right. Become a public, no one is perfect, oh yes I know, but something needs to be done right. No one is perfect, no one is perfect. Oh yes, I know, but something needs to be done right. No one is perfect. Oh yes, I know, but something needs to be done right. Something needs to be done right. No one is perfect. Oh yes, I know, but something needs to be done right. Is this the love that you promised me? Is this the word that you want us to leave? Is this the love that you promised me? Is this the word you want us to leave? Hide and seek. Not true.
Is this what you do in this house? Look nose into matters that do not concern you.
What did you do to her?
I thought you were a maid in this house.
I am more of a sister to her than a housemaid. And I will not let you ruin her marriage. Is that clear, Mr. Man?
Oh, really? You've grown wings to talk to me in that manner, right? Do you know I can kick you out of this house? Do you know I can do that?
Don't underestimate the power of a housemaid. My eyes are on you.
Who's this girl?
Dikeh, how could you have belittled yourself before him? Honestly, I didn't know what came over me. He forced himself on me. You should have screamed. That you are his ex is not enough reason to threaten you. Kiro, I am disappointed that's you. It's not about being his ex. What about the other one? He could say something to my husband and he would become suspicious. You know what I'm talking about. See, you have to apply every means to make Ikena leave your house. His stay here is a big threat to you. What have I not done? I've done everything humanly possible to make my husband does not listen. I told him to rent an apartment for him somewhere, but he wouldn't listen to me. I've done everything possible. Listen, keep on disturbing him over that. That is the only way you might be saved. Yes. Disturb him more and more. Hey. Okay.
Grandmaster, Brotherhood of Knights forever.
Is there any initiation tonight?
No initiations, my lord.
We all know why we are gathered here tonight. All protocols must be observed. Ozo and Daniel, present your sacrificial item for the renewal of your loyalty to the Brotherhood.
Long live, Grandmaster, Brotherhood of Night and forever.
Daniel, present your sacrificial item for the renewal of your loyalty to the Brotherhood.
Long live, Grandmaster, Brotherhood of Night, forever. I did not come with my own. Please, allow me to make a choice. I cannot kill my wife.
Daniel, are you out of your mind? You have no right to make such demand when the Brotherhood has already made a choice. Daniel, I just want to give you grace tonight. In our next gathering, if you fail to present a sacrificial item, then you shall face the wrath of our God. I have spoken, and that is final. Oh, Brotherhood of Night. Daniel, are you out of your mind? You have no right to make such demand when the Brotherhood has already made a choice. Daniel, I just want to give you grace tonight. In our next gathering, if you fail to present a sacrificial item, then you shall face the wrath of our God. I have spoken, and that is final.
But something needs to be done right. No one is perfect. Oh yes, I know. But something needs to be done right. Become a public. No one is
Honey, what are you doing here?
I came in and I didn't want to disturb your sleep. How are you?
But something needs to be done right. No one is perfect. Oh yes.
Is everything okay?
Yeah.
Where are you coming from?
My party member had an emergency meeting, so I attended the meeting. But before then, I was calling you on phone. It wasn't going through.
You should have sent me a text message.
I did.
I didn't get it.
Okay, maybe it's network problem. But anyway, I'm sorry about that.
You have been drinking?
Yeah, just a little. You know, I was feeling very cold, so I took little to warm my body.
Look at my people.
The real man.
The real men them.
I'm telling you.
Yeah?
I like this.
Okay.
Abwego one. Abwego one.
Odogua.
They have arrived.
You're welcome.
Let the merriment start.
Abwego. Yeah? As and why? To what do I owe this visit? Am I safe?
Of course you're safe. We decided to give you a surprise visit.
Wow.
Abego, this is my first time of coming to your house.
Exactly.
And I love this beauty. Your house
Don't worry, I'm going to treat you fine.
I believe.
Come on, let's go inside.
Abwego kitty.
Come on.
One. Merriment, merriment, merriment.
Oh. Let me use my remote.
Money is good. Money is good. Money is good. Too much money. Money is good. Abwego one.
Money are good. Money are good. See what do if I become up, if I get up for money, I go become up for my Oga.
Hey, babe. You called?
Yes, I called. Who are those people in our house?
Oh, they're my friends. They're my party members.
You didn't tell me that your friends will be visiting today.
I didn't even know they were going to come. It was just a surprise visit.
A surprise visit? Who does that?
Honey, I'm sorry about that. Okay? They're my friends. They didn't even see it as anything. That's why they came. They wanted to surprise me.
I don't like those kind of people.
I think they are not bad people. They are good people.
I'm not just comfortable with them in my house. Sweetie, I have a very strong spirit and you know that. My spirit is telling me that those people are bad people.
No, they are not. They're very good people. Very good.
What of the lady amongst them? Is she also one of your party members?
Yeah, you're right. She is. Yeah. Anyway, honey, come on. They're good people. Okay? They're good people, okay? Yeah.
My brother from another mother.
Ugo, I am not happy with you.
What have I done?
You should have called me on the phone that you're coming with these people. Yes.
Dan, I already told you that we wanted to surprise you, okay? They came to my house and after that they demanded to know your place.
If you had called me on the phone, I wouldn't have allowed it.
Why? You sound as if we're no longer the same.
Ugo, it's not about being the same. It's all about my wife. She's very sensitive. She's beginning to ask questions of who they are.
Dan! Do you listen to yourself talk? Are you no longer the man of the house? Why are you letting your wife control you?
You see how you're shouting? I am saying another thing. You're talking another thing. I'm just explaining this thing to you as my man. And you're talking rubbish.
I've heard you. I'm sorry. So can we now go inside? But Dan, learn to control your house.
Hold on, let me open my
Please,
door.
can you open this door, please? I know I don't have this. I'm going to get one.
Now I know why Dan is finding it difficult to fulfill his obligation.
What are you talking about?
I am talking about his wife. Didn't you see her? She is very beautiful.
Obi, Dan is treading on a very dangerous path. Who is Dan? Who the hell is Dan to disobey the Brotherhood?
He thinks he can bargain it.
I will talk to him. I will advise him before it is too late. It is better he remarries and lose everything he has ever worked for.
Please, you know you're very close to him and us. I beg you, talk to him because the path he is trading is very dangerous. You have to talk to him, let him see reasons. Right?
Talk to him.
Trust you because he's going astray. I can see you've finished your drink. Let me ask them to get more for you.
No.
Barman,
I am okay.
I insist.
I thought you were out.
Yes, so I was.
Okay, now. I thought you were out, for real.
Out, okay. I was just inside doing some observations.
Okay.
Now, my brother, in Akugodi Large, the cannibals of people that visited your Obrok, that's in Diodogu.
Oh.
Eh?
Yeah, those people are party members.
Party members?
Yeah. Why are you laughing?
I'm just wondering if I look like someone you can whine. Which one is party members?
Yes, they are party members. What's so funny about that?
Well, party members or no party members, what I'm trying to tell you is, please link me up. Eh? Look, I am fan now. I be homeboy. Me and you na paddy from day one. Do you like my situations? Put me through now. Eh? Put me through. Look at your life. Look at everywhere.
Again, I don't know what you're talking about. Those guys, they're my party members.
Hey, we're saying the same
Again,
thing now.
Let's just discuss something else. Okay? Do you need some drink? Come on.
My brother, you're not now. I'm telling you the real deal. You're trying to bring up another topic. Link me up to the party members now. Let us be in the party together. Even PDP or APC, all of us, all of you in a party.
Again now.
Anyway, let me allow you. I see you're doing some thinking.
It's okay.
Anyhow, me, I go to my home at the streets. Just to make sure I can. Don't worry about our food.
Yeah, those guys are 14 members, okay? Can you imagine? See what Ugonna has cost me.
What is it? What is it, Junior? What is it?
Look at him!
Look at who?
It's Grandpa!
You shut up, Junior. Grandpa is dead. Shut up.
But he's here staring at me! And please take me out of here!
Junior, stop
Junior,
this.
stop it. Which grandpa are you talking about?
Our own!
Junior, please.
Tiffany, please, take him inside.
Sweetheart, don't listen to Junior. He doesn't know what he's saying.
Take me inside!
Just take him inside.
It's
Come on, come on.